Dell Computers in Central Texas is trying to break computers to help the environment. Nik Ciccone shows us how in this Fox 7 Energy Team report.
Okay, here goes.
Dell Computers is smashing its way to environmental friendliness. This is the Austin lab where they test packaging to make sure it's strong, to get to the customers in one working piece. The latest breakthrough is ditching hard-to-recycle materials and replacing them with easily renewable, compostable, and cheaper bamboo.
It grows very rapidly. It grows in 3 to 5 years till it's ready for harvest. And then it naturally regenerates. So we don't need to replant trees to do this.
Oliver Campbell is leading the project. He says there's a significant impact.
By using bamboo, the number of tons that we'll use this year will save approximately 70,000 trees.
We're about 60 kilometers away from where we saw our bamboo forest.
Campbell even went to China for Dell. He gave us this video from the trip. He explains bamboo is technically a grass. It grows quickly and sprouts back after it's cut.
We met with the local foresters. We looked at their harvesting practices. They do not clear cut. It's selective harvesting. And the forest from which we have the bamboo is probably about 1,000 miles from the panda habitat.
They also changed the way they package computers in their factory. These servers are carefully stacked into boxes one by one. They use a vacuum to move them. It doesn't look like much, but the way they used to do it, each computer got its own big box, its own set of packaging, and its own set of manuals. It even ended up on a wooden pallet. Now they can put 4 computers in one box. Compare the 4 boxes on the right to the 1 box on the left, which also doesn't need a pallet. This simple change cuts the packaging materials in half and increases what can go in a recycling bin, and it saves money.
It actually costs less than materials that we're using, and we think that's really a key aspect of sustainability, that it also not only has to be sustainable in the environment, but also has to be economically sustainable. That's really only how you make lasting change.
That means a real drop in garbage that ends up in our landfills. Nik Ciccone, Fox 7 Energy Team.